Hey, I'm Papurr, and for the past 5 years, I've been mastering the art of credit and travel hacking, and in that time, I've helped over 4,400 people repair and rebuild their credit, as well as teach them how to maximize rewards to travel first class and stay in 5-star hotels for free. So in front of us today, we've got two people that have joined our program. So they're a couple. We've got Asim and Alexa. They've been with us for quite a while. So Asim and Alexa, do you want to introduce yourselves and tell us a little bit about both of you and what you guys do?
Hi, my name's Alexa.
Hi, my name's Asim.
And we actually started our credit journey with Credit Club. So we didn't have any credit cards before joining, but yeah, now we both have 5-figure limits.
So how long have you guys been a part of Credit Club 2.0, if you can let us know? And how have you found the program as a whole so far? Because I know you guys have benefited quite a bit, but just touch a little bit on what we've done. I know we've opened you both business cards. Like you said, you have pretty high 5-figure limits each. And then also, I know you guys have generated quite a lot of points. Do you want to just kind of run us through that, and we can kind of go through some more questions with you guys?
Yeah. So we've been with Credit Club for a while now.
Yeah.
I don't know how long.
Nearly a year.
But we both have charge cards thanks to Credit Club. And how many points do you have now?
112,000.
112,000? Yeah, and I think I've got 80,000 points. And that's without us actually making the most out of it, I would say. Just from the help of opening up cards in the right order. And we've still got a few more to open up, but we're already looking to plan our next trip with those points.
Yeah, no, that's amazing. So like you said, we opened the business cards for both of you, and obviously we're going through the order of opening your cards, and 200,000 points is amazing because that should basically get you guys a holiday wherever you guys want to go. For both of you, your flights are covered. But do you want to kind of run us through the process of opening your business cards, how fast it was, and how helpful we were with opening the cards? Also maybe touch on where you guys are looking on going on holiday with your 200,000 points maybe.
Yeah, so it was really simple. The credit specialists, they put me into a one-on-one group chat, and Papurr's in there, so we had you to help us, but the credit specialists are so great as well. They jump on a call anytime you need help, like opening up a card. So they really took their time making sure that it was safe for us to do the application, and also to make sure we didn't make any mistakes. Then we got the card pretty quickly. In about 2-3 days it got delivered, so the delivery was a lot faster than I was expecting, and we got to just start using the cards straight away. I think they're going to book Umrah, which is going to be in Saudi, so I'm excited for that. It's going to be nice to be in business class on such a long flight.
Yeah, for the first time as well.
Yeah.
Can't wait.
No, that's amazing, guys. And that's obviously why we're here, to get you the results and help you guys out. So that's amazing. You guys have your business cards. You're looking to go Saudi in business class as well. So that's amazing to see your results. So other people watching this video can see it's possible, that you guys were able to do it. So, another couple looking to join can also see that they can do it. So thank you for taking your time out of the day to, do this with me. Now, the other question I had for you guys, because you're in your one-to-one group chat, I know you just briefly talked about it, but how useful has it actually been for you guys? Has it really been that beneficial, or how have you genuinely found those one-to-one group chats?
I think it's really beneficial. I ask a lot of, you could say stupid questions, but they're so patient. They just answer every question whenever I have it, and they reply really quickly as well.
No, that's amazing, and that's why we have it. And I always say to everyone, anyone that joins the program, there's no such thing as stupid questions, because I ask stupid questions in fields that I'm not an expert in, and you need to ask these stupid questions to be more knowledgeable and to be able to advance more forward within that topic or subject. And in you guys' instance, it's credit. So that's why we do have the one-to-one group chats, for you to ask those silly questions and just get to know exactly what you're doing it, because there's no point having access to the videos and just being told what to do if you're not understanding why you're doing it. So yeah, that's good that you guys found the group chats useful. Now, the other thing I was going to talk about, which we just touched on, was how have you actually found the content and the material, the videos within Credit Club 2.0? Were they easy to understand? I know you're both busy people. Was it easy to go through the videos? Did it take too much of your time? How have you found, that whole process?
The videos are super short, sweet, straight to the point. I actually think that I was surprised as to how much gets taught. I thought it was all going to be about points, but there's so many other methods that you can do as well. So even though we do have a big bulk of points, we're also looking at hotel discounts that we can get, car rental discounts we can get that don't require any points. So that just means our trip's going to be really luxurious for such a cheap price.
Yeah, no, that's amazing. And that's good to hear that you're making the most out of everything. And this is why I say to everyone, when you join the program, it's amazing to just think of the points, but there's so many other techniques and stuff that we teach, because if you then put them all into one and use them all together, then you'll get the maximum benefit out of it, and you'll actually, progress and get to where you want to get to. Like you guys have said now, you're going to go Saudi in business class, you're going to book a 5-star hotel, you're going to probably get yourself a nice car rental as well, and it will cost you a fraction of what it would normally cost you guys. But yeah, no, that's amazing. And then one final question, because I don't want to take too much of you guys' time up, is would you recommend this to someone else? And what would you say to someone who is in two minds of joining the program?
Definitely. I would say that you should ask yourself, how much have you spent on travel in your entire life? And how much are you looking to save in the future? Because for us, for example, and for anyone looking to go on Umrah, you already know that costs a couple grand. So to know that, we can cover both of us and also have it be more luxurious than we originally planned is a lifesaver.
No, that's amazing. And that's exactly what it's good to hear from someone that's been a part of the program, because you guys are testaments that you can do it and actually, really benefit from what we teach. And it's amazing to see both of you on the call together, because I remember when we first had the call and you guys wanted to join, you were a bit shaky, but now you're both just smiling and you've smiled through this whole call, which is absolutely amazing. So yeah, we're gonna call it here because I know you guys are busy, you were going somewhere, so I don't want to take too much of you guys' time. Thank you for jumping on the call. If anyone has any questions, absolutely anything, feel free to ask them below, and I'll be happy to answer it under the video. But again, thank you Alexa and Asim for jumping on the call.